Hello, I'm back again, and this time, I lost my cursor, there it is. I'm going to do you science in a nutshell. I think I've spelled welcome right? Well, who knows. I'm going to give you some basic information about science. If you can bother to read the screen, or just listen to my voice. I'm going to tell you the different types of science. It's going to get comfortable. I'm sitting on a barrel at the minute. It's amazing what you can find. What are the different types of science? There's astronomy, biology, chemistry, physics, weather, geography. I know that they sound like two totally different things, but they are extremely similar. What do they mean? Astronomy is the study of the celestial bodies, a natural object visible by the sky. That means like stars, so you can look at the sky and see a star, because that's perfectly natural. Biology, the study of living organisms, the plants and animals of a particular area. So that's like me going out and studying a robin, because robins may live in my back garden. Chemistry, it's the study of elements, the compounds they form, and the reactions they undergo. So that's like sodium and water. They make a very big bang and are not good together. Physics, the science dealing with the property of matter and energy. So physics is like gravity. Weather, the state of the atmosphere and the place and time of records, heat, cloudiness, dryness. I don't think I said that. Cloudiness, dryness, sunshine, wind and rain. So that's like, well, that was slightly self-explanatory. Geography is the study of the earth, including competition, structures and organ of its rocks, and geographical features of distracts. I can't read. Geography, the study of the earth's physical features, resources and the climate and the physical atmospheres of its population. There we go. This is just some news that was on the news last night, and I thought it might be interesting for you to hear about this if you didn't watch the news. There's the thing that is called the jet stream, and that's what affects our weather. You can see it here, this is the big white stream. Because the jet stream's dropped, which is this big, because it's usually following the same sort of diameter, which should lead about here, but it's dropped a lot further than it's meant to. And because of the drop, we've been left with storms and cold weather. Scientists believe this is because of the global warming and the ice melting, and I've got a little link here, thank you, just give me a minute. So let me go back to that link, because that link, I'm going to show you a little video from the BBC News. Come here. I can't set up a link here, so I'm just going to have to copy it. God's sake. Copy. Google. Hate this Google so much. That is my basic. I'm just like, bang it in. That'll do. There we go. That should do it. Come on. Die? Not really. The amazing of the copy and paste button, people. There we go. Yeah. Just turn my music off, you won't hear it.
The storms in Britain never seem to end, while America has experienced bitterly cold conditions. Chicago is used to freezing winters, but data taken from this weather station shows that it's been one of the coldest on record, and the same is true across many other parts of the United States. So the big question is whether this can be explained by natural variability or whether something has gone wrong with our weather. Some scientists are worried that the recent warming in the Arctic has shifted the main system that drives weather patterns in Northern Europe and North America. A current of fast-flowing air in red and green called the jet stream. This year it's dipped down lower than usual, which has meant weather has stayed the same for weeks on end, keeping the cold weather in North America and the storms over Britain. At a science meeting in Chicago, Jennifer Francis has presented new evidence that in recent years these dips have been deeper and they've been happening more often.
I think we can expect more of the same, and I think we should expect it to occur more frequently, it being these very wavy patterns in the jet stream that tend to result in weather conditions being very persistent in one place, and so it seems like your weather is kind of stuck for a long time. I do think that's going to happen more often in the future.
It's too soon to tell whether this shift in the jet stream is permanent or whether it's a direct result of man-made climate change. But the new research does suggest we may have to get used to winters where spells of weather go on for weeks or even months. Alan Ghosh, BBC News, Chicago.
Thank you. Goodbye.